Good morning from the animal kingdom. My camera's still malfunctioning, so I'm gonna have to vlog on my phone again. But I am literally just getting off the bus and hauling butt to the entrance because it's already opened. So I gotta run, literally, to Kilimanjaro Safari, and hopefully it won't be a long line for Everest. Crossed, fingers crossed. Really hoping. But I do have a fast pass at 12:55 to 1:55 at Hollywood Studios, but I doubt I'm even gonna go. Oh, they have a Doctor Strange bus. Check it out. Like what? All right, that's a long line. Gotta go. So I'm in line to get in the park. Already got my bag checked, and I am not wearing any makeup because I don't know if I'm wearing Cali River Rapids. Well, I'm not wearing eye makeup. I did everything else, of course, but I got my pirate medallion on, got my birthday button, and it is bright. But here we go. I think I'm gonna go on Everest first and then go wait in Kilimanjaro Safari or see if I can get a fast pass. So we'll see what happens. That's better lighting. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. I'm so happy I brought my Little Mermaid fan. I am so happy. I'm in Animal Kingdom. One of my favorite parks, personally. It's really a tie with magic, honestly, because I love nature so much. So yeah, I'm gonna have to say Animal Kingdom's my top favorite other than magic. Oh, I can see Pandora. Oh my gosh. And there's the Tree of Life. Right behind me. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen it since they've redone the area around it. So beautiful. I watched a video of the projection show on the tree, which I highly doubt that they're gonna do because now they have the Rivers of Light. So, yep. But on my way to Everest and then Kilimanjaro Safari. Oh, they're recording something.
Do you want to walk through Dino Land?
They're recording something. I'm assuming it's like a movie or... This is so cool. Is that the ambassador? Oh my gosh, is that the Disney ambassador? I don't know who that is, but I'll find out once it's on TV. Alright. On to the safari! I'm gonna run through Dino Land, I guess, because it's the quickest way through Asia, because honestly Africa's longer. So, and I might purposely miss my Hollywood Studios fast passes at 12:55, 1:55, and 2:55. So I really don't know, but I am running. Asia's right there. I'm home. I'm home in Asia. On to Everest and then Kilimanjaro Safari. And Cali River Rapids, I'll wait. It's already hot, but yeah. Yes, I'm in Asia. Flights of Wonder, totally saying that. That is like the best show ever. But here we go. Moseying on along. Oh, I love their matching jackets. Oh my gosh. I love Asia and all of its beautiful colors and wonders because Asia is amazing. It is the most amazing continent in the world. I do say so myself. Oh my god, I love these buses. Or the little food carts. Not even open yet. park literally just opened. And you can probably hear the screaming, but right over here is seating for Rivers of Light, which I'm literally so tempted to just skip Hollywood Studios and all and just stay here. Oh my gosh. And it is already a 25-minute wait time. So I'm gonna go to... Is single rider entrance open yet?
Yes, it is. Happy birthday.
Thank you. I'm all by myself. That's why I'm asking.
Oh, yeah, no worries. You're going to want into a dead end birthday, girl. You got to go around.
Thank you.
Yeah. You got to go around. That's it.
Just realized it. Excuse me? Single rider entrance. Yay! I'm going on Everest. I'm in the single rider line.
Guys, you literally fall
Whoops. Now I can rest. I'm tired already. Oh my god. Okay. All right, here we go. Just went on Everest twice. Everyone's going on Cali River Rapids. They're crazy. It's like kind of chilly. There is a breeze. I am looking for the Fast Pass kiosk. Stand by entrance for 10 minutes. Jungle Trek restrooms. Oh, here we go. Hold on one second. Monkey right there, and that's what's making that noise. Claiming his territory. Oh, there's one right there. Right there. Right there. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh, they're so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how they swing from tree to tree. That is so amazing. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. What do you want? He's right there. What do you want? Whoa! 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 All right, off to Cali River Rapids I go. So I totally canceled my fast passes for Hollywood Studios, and I'm just gonna hang out here in Animal Kingdom. I'll go there tomorrow because why not? And I'm in line for Cali River Rapids. Yay! There it is right there. And my camera's still malfunctioning, so I have to vlog on my phone still. I apologize, but I hope I can give you guys the best footage and experience as possible. I'm wearing flip-flops, so I came prepared. But yeah, I got fast passes for the Festival of Lion King. I forgot. Festival of the Lion King. I forgot. Primeval Whirl is a must. It's the best ride in Dino Land. And I'm not going on Dinosaur because I'm too scared. And there's no one to go with me because I'm here all by myself. So yeah. But here we go. On to the show. I just wanted to record Cali River Rapids standby line because it is so beautiful. And also because Asia is amazing. Oh, my favorite part, the birds.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Cut today and all your mark.
They help spread a message to visitors about preserving
sorry.
places, like our forest. All around the Nandapur, logging companies in search of tropical hardwood have bitten deep into the jungle. When this happens, the traditional life of village and forest is destroyed forever.
Everyone's wearing ponchos. Why?
Want your sunglasses? Want your sunglasses? Right now?
Just went on Cali River Rapids, and here are my results. I didn't get too wet. Hold on, I have my external battery charger. I didn't get too wet. I took my kimono off, but I didn't get too wet. My pants got wet, but that's okay. That's why I wear beach wear. Yeah. But I'm gonna go see what I can do. Oh, Kilimanjaro Safari, Primeval Whirl, and Festival Lion King are the fast passes that I have. So I'm gonna try and go see It's Tough to Be a Bug, because why not?